Good morning, friends. I'm Dr. Kirti Kanodia, and welcome to Toshni Institute. Today, we'll be talking about helplessness. Many people they are going through helplessness. They feel helpless in each and every day of the life, not only once, but many times in a day. So this has become a habit of being helpless that will further lead to your anxiety. It will lead to your sadness. It will lead to depression. But the root first starts from helplessness. What is helplessness? When you feel that there is no control over the situation or you're not able to do something about it. That is helplessness. So, do you really think that helplessness can be overcome just by thinking that having in control over the situation? No, it cannot be. The first thing you need to understand that if you're feeling helpless, the reason of the helplessness is coming from expectations. You have to drop the expectations to overcome the energy of helplessness that has become a day-to-day life emotion of your own self, you can say here. So if you really want to overcome helplessness, first thing is you need to drop expectations. You have to stop expecting. You have to understand and accept that everyone around you, whether it is your children, whether it's your spouses, whether it's your parents, or might be, you're working with, maybe your people who are working with you, anyone, no matter anyone you're dealing with in your day-to-day life, they all are out of reach of your expectations. You can only receive what you have within you. You can only receive how much you can sustain inside you. So, expecting more than what is receivable, expecting more than that is there inside you to sustain is foolishness. And when you start expecting that others will do for you or others might change, that is expectations. And when you go through such expectation, obviously there will be helplessness within you. Why? Because you're trying to control and reach to the goal that might not be easy for you or that might not be possible for you. It's always easy to change your own self than changing people around you. If it's very easy to change people around you, maybe your children, maybe your spouses, your parents, or whomever you're working with, then you would have not felt helpless, right? So still, if you're feeling helpless and you feel that people are not changing around you, that means it is not about them. It is about you. You need to change. You need to change your beliefs. You need to change what is that you are wanting to do. So for an example, you feel that you're very, very independent and you don't need any help, but you're expecting help from others. So when you have a belief of being independent and you're not okay taking help from others, how can you expect that you will get helping hands outside? So what you do, instead of thinking that, okay, maybe I might not take the help, I'm not going out and reaching out people and asking for the help, but I'm expecting that they will help me by themselves. It is not possible. So to overcome the helplessness, first thing is you need to drop expectations. You need to start asking for it, whether inside you or outside you. Start asking for it. And some people also say, I keep asking, I keep saying, still they are the same. Yes, of course. Because maybe inside you there is no energy of attracting help. So first change yourself within to control the situations or to be getting controlled by the situation. Change yourself. Then there is a possibility that things will change outside you. So possibility that people will change outside you is a possibility, but things will definitely change outside you. Because now either you will get more empowered to help yourself, or maybe you will attract the help from the others. So in whichever ways what is happening, you're getting what you are wanting. So helplessness will vanish from your life slowly. It might be a slow process, but practice it every day so that you can overcome this. All right. So now with a small meditation, we'll try to release the helplessness, expectation, and accept the things the way it is. So the key, the master key to every emotion is acceptance. That is why I keep talking about acceptance. Accepting yourself and situation the way it is because this is the script written by your own self. So you need to accept the script the way it is. That I will explain you in another video. So today let's work on helplessness. So just relax, close your eyes and just relax. Keep relaxing. Keep relaxing. Focus on your breath. Put your entire focus on your breath coming in and going out. Keep relaxing. Allow these breaths to travel from the top of your head till the toe of your leg and relaxing each and every part, each and every organ, each and every cell of your body. Keep relaxing as much as possible. The more you relax, the deeper you go. The deeper you go, the more you relax. Keep relaxing. Put your entire focus on your breaths. And while relaxing in this comfortable position, feel the breaths and feel the flow of breaths. It's so easy to breathe. And when the breaths are so easy, life is more easier. Learn from your breaths. It's so easy. No control, no expectations. Just flow of breaths going inside your body and coming out. Very easy. Feel these breaths as much as possible. Keep relaxing. And while relaxing, allow yourself to feel where you have stored the helplessness inside your body. One part of your body, or maybe multiple parts of your body, that will respond when you think about helplessness. It could be in your head, it could be in your throat, it could be in your chest, it could be in your stomach, it could be on your back. Wherever it is, just focus. Without analyzing it, just allow your body to show where you have stored the feeling of helplessness. Keep breathing. And now, slowly bring the focus on the part of the body, whether it is one or multiple, that has stored this helplessness within it. Focus on your breaths and take your breath into that part of you, whether it is one part of you or multiple part of you. Go into that. If you want, you can give a color to it. Breathe into it, and with every exhale, release it out. So breathe and exhale the helplessness out. Say the need of helplessness is over. It ends now. Breathe and exhale. The need of helplessness is over. It ends now. Let it go completely. With each and every breath you're taking out, release it out completely. And while doing this, if you feel any people, any person or multiple people coming in your mind that makes you feel helpless, just give it back to them. Give back all this helplessness back to them. It's over. It ends now. It could be your children, it could be your spouse, your parents, your friends, your colleagues. It could be anyone. Just let it go. It's over. It ends now. Release it out completely. And look into the eyes of those people. If you're feeling anyone, look into the eyes of them and say, I stop right now, right here, totally and completely to feel helpless through you. It's over. It ends now. I have learned enough. I have learned a lot. I have learned helplessness from you. Thank you for teaching me. But now it's over. It ends now. I choose to let go of it. So from each and every part, each and every cell of your body, breathe into this helplessness and release it out. It's over. It ends now. It's over. It ends now. Let it go. And now, slowly let go of the people, let go of the situations, and let go of this helplessness. Right now, right here. The situations, the feeling within you, and the people will go away, they will vanish. Let them go. It's over. It ends now. And now, again, focus on your breaths. Feel your breaths going in and coming out. Feel your heart chakra and allow the empowerment to return back into your body. When you pick something, you lose something. So when you have picked up helplessness, you have lost your empowerment, your ability to accept people and yourself the way it is. So take back your empowerment. Take back your ability to accept people and situations the way it is. So breathe into your body and feel the empowered self of you. You have total control. You have total empowerment towards your own self, your own body, your own thoughts. Accept it. Accept that you're doing the best and you can leave the rest. So feel the empowerment within you. That will give you a lot of strength and courage to accept people outside you that might not fit into your belief system or maybe your way of living. But still, you choose to accept them because it is their life and their learning. So breathe into a lot of empowerment and courage to accept yourself and your life and to accept people outside you and their life completely. Keep breathing and allow this to become the reality of you right now, totally and completely. Keep breathing as much as possible. And now, in this comfortable position of breathing, free yourself one last time. Free yourself from any residues of expecting from others. It's over, it ends now. And choose empowerment and courage over it too. I am empowered soul. I'm empowered self. I'm an empowered human. And I choose the courage to accept myself and people around me the way they are. Breathe into this body. Keep breathing into these energies as much as possible and allow it to spread in each and every cell, each and every part, and each and every organ of your body. And keep saying to yourself, I am empowered and I accept myself and people around me totally and completely. You can keep repeating this affirmation throughout the day, each day you go through. Keep breathing, allow your awareness into your physical body, integrate, integrate, integrate. And when you feel right, only then open your eyes and bring back your awareness into the room. Till then, be happy, take care, see you again. Namaste.